Hello, my name is Oliver. Are you dealing with large data amounts and complex systems? I would like to show you our tool OMrun. Grab a coffee, have a seat, and please join.
OMrun Component. A component combines a few test objects together to group them like a container. Component names have to be unique as they are all stored on the same directory level within the OMrun business system. The tree on the left side of the OMrun screen gives an overview of all defined elements of the current business system. Components help to structure test objects in a logical or functional context, and they may contain one or many test objects. Components offer some menu functions on the tree. Context menu option New, located on the parent level, creates an additional component and sets its name. Context menu option Rename modifies the name of the selected component. This function updates also the path of the test object if used in any test scenario. Context menu option New Test Object creates an additional test object inside the selected component, which can have either the type data or program object. Context menu option Delete removes the selected component together with all its connected test objects, inclusive all related test results.
Thanks for watching. There are much more tutorials to check out. Happy comparing and see you next time.